To set up Thinkorswim for swing trading, start by logging into your Thinkorswim account and navigating to the platform. Once you are logged in, you will see a variety of tabs and menus. But for swing trading, you will primarily be using the Trade and Analyze tabs. First, set up your Trade tab by selecting the stock or asset you want to trade and setting your account and order type. Thinkorswim allows you to choose from a variety of order types, including market orders, limit orders, and stop orders. So select the one that best suits your swing trading strategy. Next, set up your Analyze tab by selecting the studies and indicators you want to use to analyze your trades. Thinkorswim has a vast array of technical indicators and studies, including moving averages, relative strength index, and Bollinger Bands. So choose the ones that align with your swing trading strategy. Now, create a watch list of the stocks or assets you want to trade. To do this, click on the Market Watch tab and then click on the Add Symbol button. Type in the ticker symbol of the stock or asset you want to add and click Enter. Repeat this process for all the stocks or assets you want to trade. Once you have your watch list set up, you can start scanning for trading opportunities. Thinkorswim has a variety of scanning tools, including pre-built scans and custom scans. So choose the one that best suits your swing trading strategy. When you find a trading opportunity, use the Thinkorswim platform to analyze the trade and set your entry and exit points. Thinkorswim allows you to set multiple entry and exit points, as well as stop loss and take profit orders. So use these tools to manage your risk and maximize your returns. Finally, use the Thinkorswim platform to monitor and adjust your trades. Thinkorswim provides real-time data and alerts, so you can stay on top of your trades and make adjustments as needed. By following these steps and using the Thinkorswim platform to its full potential, you can set up a successful swing trading strategy and start achieving your trading goals.